Exposing the magic in iOS 18, the latest update from Apple is here and it's packed with features that are set to revolutionize the way you use your iPhone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves a smooth user experience, iOS 18 has something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 5 features that make this update truly magical. You won't believe these features. Dive in with me as we explore the innovations that Apple has brought to the table. From interactive widgets to enhanced privacy, there's a lot to get excited about. First up, we've got the all-new interactive widgets. These aren't just your regular widgets, they're designed to be more functional and engaging. Imagine having the ability to interact with your calendar, music player, or even your fitness tracker right from your home screen. No more jumping between apps to get things done. Say goodbye to boring screens and hello to dynamic info at your fingertips. These widgets update in real time, providing you with the most relevant information exactly when you need it. Whether it's the latest news, weather updates, or your next meeting, everything is just a tap away. Next, check out the upgraded FaceTime. Apple has taken video calling to the next level with this update. The new features are designed to make your conversations more immersive and lifelike. Now with spatial audio, it feels like your friends are right there with you. This feature uses advanced audio technology to create a 3D soundscape, making it easier to distinguish who is speaking and from which direction. It's like having a face-to-face conversation even when you're miles apart. Third on the list, the enhanced privacy features. In today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever, and Apple has made significant strides in this area with iOS 18. With new app tracking transparency, your data stays yours. This feature gives you more control over which apps can track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. You get to decide who gets access to your data, putting you in the driver's seat of your digital life. Number 4 is the revamped Photos app. Apple has introduced several new features to make managing your photo library easier and more intuitive. With AI-driven organization, finding that perfect memory is a breeze. The app now uses advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically sort and categorize your photos. Whether you're looking for a picture from last summer's vacation or a snapshot of your pet, the Photos app will help you find it in seconds. And finally, the game-changer live text. This feature is set to transform the way you interact with text in your photos. Instantly copy, paste, or translate text from any image. Whether it's a handwritten note, a sign in a foreign language, or a printed document, live text makes it easy to extract and use the information. Just point your camera at the text and you're good to go. So there you have it. These are just the top 5 features, but iOS 18 is packed with so much more. From performance improvements to new customization options, this update is designed to make your iPhone experience smoother and more enjoyable. iOS 18 is packed with awesome, making your iPhone experience smoother and more exciting than ever. Don't miss out on these incredible features. Update your device today and start exploring all that iOS 18 has to offer. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Trust.